Here we're going to be looking at an automated spreadsheet which helps track budgets for multiple accounts. Now, if you're like me and you have multiple AdWords accounts that you're tracking, it's very important to be able to track the budgets in one centralized location rather than having to log in all the time to different AdWords accounts. And even though you can get all your budget data perhaps in one MCC, this tool allows you to automate it and give you more insights. I'm giving this away also as a free template. I've created this and it uses a number of plugins in Google Docs, but it's all free to use. So I'll provide you a link to the template as well, where you can access this and make a copy for yourselves and then input your data. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take you through the steps to set this up. Then we're going to show you the output and how it can be used. The screen that you're looking at here is actually the output as well. So you can quickly see that it's going to give you different tables here. You set your date ranges and it gives you your budgets, and then it'll tell you how far behind you are on your target spend. And it can also do more things like import, give you a quick snapshot into your performance. And this is really fantastic for, if you're running multiple accounts, and even if you're running more than just AdWords, maybe you're running AdWords and Facebook, so you don't have one centralized MCC in any case. So this tool will be perfect for you.